Hello everyone, welcome all. Today I just want to show you how to install R on your machine. So what I'll do is I'll just open up my favorite web browser, which is Mozilla Firefox, and I'll just type on R project. So once I type R project and hit enter, it will just take me to rproject.org. Once I enter into rproject.org, here it shows getting started. So over here in getting started, I just want to download R, so I'll just go ahead and hit on download R. You can also find some latest releases of R version over here. Once I click on download R, it will take me to CRAN, Comprehensive R Archive Network. So basically I am in India, so I can just come down and locate my nearest location, which could be International Center for Theoretical Sciences and National Institute of Science and Education and Research. What I'll do is I'll just go to the defaults. So I'll just click on first option, which is Cloud R project, and here I have multiple ways, like I can download R for Linux, I can download R for Mac OS, and I can also download R for Windows. As I'm using Windows, I'll just hit on download R for Windows and click enter. Here I will just see there is a base version of R, there is a contribution, binary contributions, old contributions, and R2. I'll go ahead with the base and I'll click on download R. So here it shows like I have already downloaded R. So I'll just come to my Internet Download Manager and I'll open the folder where my R is already downloaded. So here it is, like in my computer downloads and with the programs. I'll click on R and it asks me like whether you want to install it or not. I'll say yes, and it shows default version is English as per the language is concerned, and I chosen it okay. And then I have to accept some general public license. So once I accept general public license, it points me to the directory where the R program is going to be installed. So basically it is C program files R and R 4.5.1. I hit on next. It installs main files, 64-bit files, and some message translations. Click on yes and specify no. Please specify yes or no and then click next. What is this? Do you want to customize startup options? I just don't want to mess with the startup options of my machine, so I'll just go with no, which is accepting the defaults. So create a start menu folder. I just want to create some start menu folder, which can obviously show once I scroll down over here. So basically I hope that it will just come up somewhere over here in my start menu items. Let us see what happens. I click next and I just want to create a quick launch shortcut as well. So the installation is pretty quick, it doesn't take much time. Should be done by now, but it just stuck at some point. Let us see what happens. Okay, there it is. Installation procedure. So our installation is complete now, and I just click on finish. Let me check whether I have this R showing up in my where is it? I just thought it would create some folder over here. Realtek audio console. Okay, it's not showing up here. Okay, let me close this, and I'm closing my browser as well. Here you can see a shortcut on my desktop. Once I open it, it opens up our console. Here you can just type in some numbers, or add something like 12 plus 45 is equal to how much. So I just can click on the variable v and then hit enter to basically output whatever the value of it is. So basically we have installed R on our computer, and in the later part I just want to show how to install R Studio as well. So hang tight and let's catch up in the next one. Thank you.